Hi friends, it's Miss Diana and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a lava lamp. This lava lamp is a science experiment, so we will need a few materials. Some of those materials are already in a bag that we're going to give you, and you will need Alka-Seltzer, food coloring, and it could be any color. Over here I have a green, but maybe in your bag you got a different color, like blue, or red, or even a yellow one. You will also need vegetable oil, some water, one plastic bottle that you can see through it. If you don't have any plastic bottles in your house, you can also use a transparent glass or a plastic cup. In my case, I didn't have the two first ones, so I'm using a plastic cup. Remember, it needs to be transparent so you can see clearly how the lava lamp works. First, grab your plastic bottle, glass, or in my case, plastic cup, and pour some water into it. Then, pour some of the vegetable oil in the cup. Can you see what's happening? They are not mixing together. The water stays in the bottom and the oil on top. Now, add some food coloring into the cup. The next step is adding the Alka-Seltzer into the cup. And now, let's see what happened. Can you see the bubbles going up and down? Now, let's use a flashlight and see what happened. Hi again, friends. Well, right now, I'm in a room that is really dark, so when I close the door, you're not gonna be able to see me. But if you have a flashlight and you put it under the lava lamp, it's going to look so cool. So now let's go and see how it looks. Now put your flashlight under the cup and see how the lava lamp turns into a much brighter color. If you have a second Alka-Seltzer, you can add it to see how the bubbles are going up and down again. I hope you like this experiment, friends. Bye!